Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and other use which is about how to fix battery draining issue on iPhone and iOS 17. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So fix this issue. First of all, do not waste any time. First solution, you have enable low power mode. When battery draining issue is fast on iOS 17, so first of all you have enable low power mode on iPhone. So you have open the setting and scroll up, then you have click on battery and then you have low power mode is turned off. So then second solution, you have find out which app are running unusual battery. So you have check the usage of your some apps then you have used for daily activity, so you have used on iPhone, then you have uh, check the app which is out training battery of almost on you use, so then you have will be delete from your iPhone. So then third solution, you have reset all setting on iPhone. So you have open the setting again, then click on general and scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode, do not lose any data, so only reset all setting of iPhone and then your problem will be fixed. So then fourth solution, you have go back from here, then you have click on App Store, then update all app of iPhone. So you have open the App Store, then you have click on App Store ID, then you have check from update all, then click here and then you have update all app from your iPhone. Then last solution, you have go back from here, so your last solution, restart your iPhone. So volume up button, volume down button, press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait and then your mobile is restart and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working of your iPhone. So then hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.